Alright y'all, so we're leaving. Had my one last bath. Went over everything. Make sure we're not leaving anything. But it was fun. I enjoyed it. For the little bit of time that we were here, I had a blast. Unfortunately, I don't know what I ate yesterday. I think it might have been the bologna. I don't know what I had. Probably the booze, honestly. But my stomach is... But you know what? We're going to power through because there are some places that I want to eat today that are a must when I come to Boone. So we're going to leave because obviously checking out late. Not too late this time though. Jesse refuses to say. Anyway, let's go before they start knocking on the door like, are you done? So let's hurry up and check out. All right, so we dropped the stuff off at the car, and now I actually want to go back and show you the rooftop and some of the other spots in there, because we didn't really get to see much yesterday because we were busy. So we're gonna go look at all that now. Rooftop is super cute, and there's a little rock climbing wall right here, and this little kid is busting it out. Obviously I won't be doing that today. I don't think I need that, but this is nice. They even have blankets for you.
Yeah, with the little bar.
So we didn't realize where you can donate and feed people who don't have, you know, the means to feed themselves was literally right beside the hotel. So I feel like we should go in there and see. We should at least donate. So yeah, it was literally right beside our hotel. One place that we absolutely have to go though is Los Province, which has the best food. Beer, Jess?
Yeah.
Just beer, pizza, all kinds of stuff. Probably won't be eating my pizza now, but I will get some to take home. So, yeah. So I got my pizza to go, and I got a sweet beet pizza because I couldn't really eat it in there. I'm super excited to eat this pizza. Got a ginger beer. Ginger ale? Oh, ginger ale. Oh, do you hear that? Hit my tooth so hard. Oh, that's nice. It's very sweet. It's not very gingery. Want to taste it? I'm reading it. I was expecting more spice. It is unfiltered Bruce Cost ginger ale. Started to feel better. So now I'm craving something because my stomach is officially empty. So now I want to find a little something to snack on. Yes, we just left getting pizza, but I couldn't eat it at the moment.
Yep.
So we stopped and got some provisions. I got a lambic, some popcorn. Now we're gonna keep walking around. Feels so good to feel better. It's amazing. It's amazing how you can feel so bad, then all of a sudden so good. Stopped and got some Ben & Jerry's strawberry cheesecake ice cream because I need something. Haven't eaten all day. Wait, have I? No. I haven't eaten anything. I had some Sprite. Didn't even finish the whole Sprite. Feels so good to eat. You have no idea. Feels so good. And I can't wait to eat that pizza too. We're going to Espresso News because the girl at the Horton was saying that they have some delicious coffee. I'm not gonna get coffee, so either way, let's see what they're about. So I got an iced chai latte, oat milk. It's pretty good. Nothing crazy, but pretty solid iced chai latte. So I hope you enjoyed seeing Boone and dinner in the Gap. I hope you visit Boone. It's a cute little town. There's other cute little places to stay down here, even if you don't stay at the Horton. But if you've watched all this way, I appreciate you. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.